Hello, dear traders. My name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. So our total profitability is plus 114%. For this week, we earned 2%, and actually, it's our monthly profitability. As you can see, we already started recovery of our deposit after getting a stop loss on GBP to USD, and I consider plus 2% for a week like as a good result because we have only 5 robots from 7 that are currently trading. So let's switch to MetaTrader platform and see how we were trading during this week. So the first currency pair is GBP to USD, and as you can see, we were not trading during last 2 weeks. And if we'll analyze the global volatility, let's say on a daily time frame, you're gonna see that the volatility did not reduce. We still have the days when price can grow or fall for more than 2%. I consider it to be a high volatility. If you compare it with the volatility of August, where we never had such kind of a situation, volatility of July, like in June we had like 2 days like that. There were some days like maybe one day in May, then April, March, February, January, no such kind of situation. So I think that we need to make like more tests, and tomorrow we're gonna do it and check if we are ready to resume trading. Because despite the fact that the volatility is still high, it's not critical. So we don't see the days when we fall like for 4% and like 4% with no correction, or like almost 6% with no correction, like we had on Friday, first of all, and then on like Monday. No, we have the days when we are falling, then we have the correction, then we have impulse, we have the correction. So we have a clear wave structure that makes like sense to trade on. So we're gonna make some additional tests, and if everything will be according to the like parameters like we analyze, I'm gonna resume trading from Monday. Additionally, I'll notify you on Telegram group about this decision. The next currency pair we have in our portfolio is this GBP to Canadian dollar. As you can see, the volatility is not so high as on GBP to USD, and we can say that now we are in some kind of a consolidation above the level from which we felt on Friday. On a daily time frame, you also can see that volatility like was reduced. We never had situations after like this like 5 days when the volatility would be bigger than 2%. So I can say that speaking about GBP to Canadian dollar, I'm sure it does make sense to like renew trading and continue working with this currency pair. And our next three pairs that we have in our portfolio, first is Australian to New Zealand dollar. We were selling and buying during the last week, actually, after we tried to break the historical highs, we came to this kind of a correction where like making like new lows, then retesting these lows. And as for this currency pair, everything goes like according to the plan. On a global time frame, we are trying to break the historical maximums from 2015. If you remember, we were analyzing this corridor for like many times, and maybe we're gonna break it, maybe not, but still it gives us a good like opportunity to speculate on this volatility near the historical highs. So as for Australian to New Zealand dollar, we're gonna wait till the market retests the previous lows and then we'll be buying. If not, we'll be selling after retesting the previous highs. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. As you can see, we are in some kind of like lateral corridor. We are like growing, then we're falling, then we grow again, then we fall again. And you also can see the shadows that are actually gathering the like stop losses of intraday traders that are usually putting them above or below the local highs or lows. And like this kind of movement they are safe for us because like we have the like more conservative settings for our robots, and like I can say that for now we have like two robots working like two positions with one robot and three positions opened with the second robot, and everything like goes like according to a plan. Volatility is not big. We still have like the local lows. I think we're gonna retest them, and it will make the market to bounce back a little bit to close all of the deals we have opened right now. From a global point of view, you can see that we are on historical lows from 2012, so like 10 years low. It also can be a good support for the pair to actually bounce back and close our positions with profit. And the last currency pair for today, it is Australian to Canadian dollar. We can see that the difference is like in the trend, because here like we clearly see the downtrend. There is no lateral movement. We are falling step by step, but highs and lows are decreasing. So it's obvious that we're going to be mostly buying in this kind of the market situation. We have also two robots, so one position with one robot, two positions with another one, and we are waiting for the market to show us the further movement. So what can we see? That we like renewed the local lows of the current year, and like still we have a lot of space. If you can see, we had this movement in 2020 when COVID started, and like actually there are no technical supports and resistance that we can use as a strong base to forecast the correction. So we'll see like how the market like will go according to the average daily volatility. That's all information I have for now. I'll additionally notify you about restoring our robots on GBP to Canadian and GBP to US dollar. I wish you good luck in trading and see you next Saturday.